see what Staples did. They got the color pretty good this time. That looks really nice. It came out pretty good, don't you think? So what are we doing? We're making Miracle Sandwich Spread from the 50s. It's pretty much just Miracle Whip and relish. The pictures of Miracle Sandwich Spread make it look like the relish is very fine. I don't think I'm going to chop this up anymore. This is small relish. Let's put it on the bottom. Good Monday! We really don't know what was in the original Miracle Whip sandwich spread. It does seem like it was just Miracle Whip and relish. I'm going to add a little bit of red pepper, spice it up a little, and some minced onion. The minced onion is on purpose because when we add some moist relish to this, which is already a little moist, this may thicken it up a little bit. I don't even like Miracle Whip. My dad loved Miracle Whip. My father would take Miracle Whip over mayonnaise any day of the week. That tastes better already. Wow, that tastes so much better than normal Miracle Whip. I'm tempted to put some paprika in. Let's put a little paprika in. I can taste a little bit of that heat. That's very good. Wrap the jar just until we get all of it in there. Don't want to get dressing on the label. Try it. Miracle Whip sandwich spread, not really. What's that doing on top of the sandwich? Seriously. That's very good. Bonus recipe. I had to buy real Kraft Deluxe cheese for this because that's what they call for. I usually buy great value. This is very expensive. But if we're doing Kraft all the way, we go Kraft all the way. This is why I'm making this video. This recipe. Pecans. Sandwich spread. Melted cheese. On a bun. NUTBURGER. That's just weird. Calls for 2/3 of a cup of chopped pecans. Pecans and sandwich spread. Half a cup of sandwich spread. Mixed together. Put on the bun. Topped with cheese. Stick it in the oven till the cheese melts and serve it hot. Chopped pecans in Miracle Whip. Chopped pecans. Back in the fridge. I want to taste this so bad. Ooh, pecans and sandwich spread into a moderate oven till the cheese is melted. Oh. That's it. Here we go. Bottom's a little toasty. Let's take a bite. Pecans. Oh, it's nutty. I don't think I like it. I think there's an idea here. Maybe I do like it. It's so weird. One more bite. It's very weird. It is very weird. I don't know. I'm torn on this one. Thanks for joining me this Monday. You know what I'm going to say. Thanks for watching.